we found a great place to park right behind the Fiat 500. Got a nice dual side mount with a original looking interior. It can't be new. I mean, it can't be original. Now here, look over here. Hey, Mr. Cohens.
How's it going?
Mr. and Mrs. Cohens. This is my son. I'm parked right behind you. Look, I got here a little late. I'm over there behind the orange Fiat. We barely fit in. All right. Well, I'm going to introduce you to my son. We'll come in the other side of the fence. This is cool. Isn't this cool? It's all the right. Look at the old 7-Up, thing there. Isn't that cool? Wow. Here's really cool, huh? Yay! This is perfect for here. You're within a half a mile of where it was bought new, right? Probably. Yeah? Isn't that cool? This is my son, Travis.
Hi, Travis. Hello.
This is Mike. This is Steve. And this is Sharon. I knew that. Okay. And where's Johnny?
Johnny is at home.
He's at home. Okay.
He didn't want to get up that
He didn't want to get that. Well, neither did this guy. But you know what he's doing?